Let's learn colors and numbers today.
GoGo Dino!
What color am I? Purple. What color am I? Blue. What color am I? Green. What color am I? Orange. What color am I? Red. What number am I? 1. What number am I? 2. What number am I? 3. What number am I? 4. What number am I? 5. One purple fish, 2 blue fish, 3 green fish, 4 orange fish, 5 red fish. 3 green fish, 4 orange fish, 5 red fish, 2 blue fish, 1 purple fish, red, orange, green, blue, purple. Thanks for joining us on GoGo Dino Learning Channel. Choose one of these other videos for more learning fun.